Hello my loving kids, a warm welcome to my channel, the Learning Hub Pompa Majumdar. And today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is animals, their shelter or homes, young ones and sounds. Children, we have already learnt about domestic animals and wild animals in their previous classes, right? And today we are going to learn about their homes, young ones and sounds that helps to know more about the animal world. Animals are living things that eat, grow, get old and die. And one of the most important feature of all living things is giving birth to babies. Yes, young ones means babies. The babies of the animals are called young ones. Children, do you know that each animal baby is known by a different name? Yes, which is quite impressive and interesting. So let's jump right into the video. This is cow. The young one of a cow is called calf. Cow lives in the shed. What sound does a cow make? Cow makes moo sound. Next, this is dog. The young one of a dog is called puppy. Children, do you know? Mother dog can give birth more than one puppy at a time. This group of puppies is called a litter. Dog lives in the kennel and dog makes bark sound. Next, this is cat. The young one of a cat is called kitten. And cat lives in the cattery. Cat makes meow sound. Next, this is sheep. The young one of a sheep is called lamb. Sheep lives in the pen. What sound does a sheep make? Yes, you all know very well. Ba, 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 black sheep or blit. Next, this is pig. The young one of a pig is called piglet. Pig lives in the sty. And what sound does a pig make? Pig makes oink sound. Next, this is horse. The young one of a horse is called colt or foal. Horse lives in the stable and horse makes neigh sound. Which bird is this? Yes, this is hen. Young one of a hen is called chick. Hen lives in the coop. What sound does a hen make? Yes, cluck, cluck. Hen makes cluck sound. Now next is duck. Duck baby is called duckling. Yes, the young one of a duck is called duckling. Duck lives in the pond and duck makes quack, quack sound. Next, this is donkey. The young one of a donkey is called foal. Donkey lives in the stable. Donkey makes bray sound. Next, this is goat. Yes, this is goat. The young one of a goat is called kid. Goat lives in the pen. And what sound does a goat make? Bleat. Next, look at this animal. Can you identify which animal is this? Yes, this is rabbit. The young one of a rabbit is called kit. Yes, kit. Rabbit lives in the burrow. And what sound does a rabbit make? Rabbit makes squeak, squeak or grunt sound. Now children, look here. Which animal is this? Can you identify? Yes, very good. This is a frog. The young one of a frog is called tadpole. Frog lives in both water and land. What sound does a frog make? Very good. Frog makes croak sound. Croak, croak. Next, which bird is this? Owl. This is an owl. The young one of an owl is called owlet. Owlet. Owl lives in the tree hole. What sound does an owl make? Owl makes hoot, hoot sound. This is bee or honeybee. The young one of a bee is called worker bee. Honeybee lives in the beehive. Honeybee makes buzz sound. Next, can you recognize which animal is this? Yes, rat. This is rat. And the young one of a rat is called pup. Rat lives in the hole. What sound does a rat make? Squeak, 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 squeak. Next, this is bird. The young one of a bird is called nestling. Bird lives in the nest. What sound does a bird make? Yes, chirp, chirp, chirp. Now look at the next animal, which is very dangerous animal. Can you identify which animal is this? Yes, this is lion. The young one of a lion is called cub. Lion lives in the den. Lion makes roar sound. Next, this is tiger. Tiger baby is also called cub. Tiger lives in the cave. Tiger also makes roar sound. Next, this is monkey. Yay! This is monkey. The young one of a monkey is called infant. Infant. Monkey lives in the tree. Children, do you know what sound does a monkey make? Monkey makes chatter, chatter sound. Next, which animal is this? This is bear. Bear. The young one of a bear is called cub. Bear lives in the large forest or cave. Bear makes growl sound. Next, this is kangaroo. The young one of a kangaroo is called joey. Joey. Kangaroo lives in the woodland or grassland. Kangaroo makes very little noises. like grunt and coughing noise. Next, this is deer. The young one of a deer is called fawn. Deer lives in the grassland. Deer makes grunt sound. Now look at the next animal. Can you identify which animal is this? Yes, well done. This is an elephant, the largest land animal in the world. The young one of an elephant is called calf. Elephant lives in the forest. Children, do you know what sound does an elephant make? Elephant makes trumpet sound. Now look at the next animal. This is giraffe. The young one of a giraffe is called calf. Giraffe lives in the wide open grassland. Giraffe makes hum or snort sound, which is pretty low. So children, these are different types of animals that have different homes and different sounds. And each animal baby is known by a different name, which is very impressive and interesting, right? So children, that's all for today. Hope you all liked it. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to receive more interesting content. So keep watching. Bye-bye.